This is going to be a video tutorial on how to install eBay as a desktop app. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. I have a very cluttered desktop. Don't pay any attention to that. But if you look right up this way, you see I have a little app here called eBay. If I open this, it opens up eBay as an app. You still have all the same features that you would normally have, but it is now an app. The way to do this, the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to delete my app. I'm going to delete the icon. Then I'm going to go and open up Add or Remove Apps. This is my installed apps here. If I scroll down to the E area, right here is eBay. It is installed as an app on my computer. I'm going to uninstall that to show you how I installed it. I have the app uninstalled now. You could use either the Chrome web browser or the Edge web browser. I will show you how to do both. I'm going to start off with the Chrome web browser. First thing you want to do is open up Chrome. The second thing you want to do is log into your eBay account. I am logged into my eBay account. Then you want to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Cast, Save, and Share. Cast, Save, and Share. You'll go straight off to the left and down to where it says Install Page as App. You would click on Install Page as App. A little dialog box opens up asking you to rename the app. Say that I just wanted to call it eBay. I'm going to erase the rest and just leave eBay on there. And then you would click on Install. I'm going to click on Cancel because I'm going to show you how to do it on the Edge web browser. I'm going to open up the Edge web browser. You want to log into your eBay account. I am currently logged into my eBay account. Next thing you want to do is go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the three-dot hamburger menu. You want to click on that. Then you want to go down to where it says Apps. And then you'll go straight off to the left where it says Install this site as an app. It shows the little eBay logo there. I'm going to click on Install this site as an app. A little dialog box pops up asking you if you want to rename the app. I'm just going to call mine eBay. I'm going to erase the rest. You could call your app whatever you want to call it. Then you would click on Install. It only takes it a few seconds. Now it has opened as an app. It's another little dialog box has appeared asking you where you want to place the icon. Do you want it pinned to the taskbar, pinned to the start menu, create a desktop shortcut? I'm going to go with create a desktop shortcut. I'm going to take these other two out. You just have to use your own preference on that. Then I'm going to click on Allow. And there is my eBay app. It is now installed as an app on my desktop. I'm going to close this out. And right here, I have my little eBay app. If I double click on it, it opens up eBay as an app. That is how to install eBay as an app on your desktop. Thanks for watching.